Hello and welcome to another episode of Obie'z Lab. Today, I bought this bad boy, gaming speaker chair, $5 on the Facebook Marketplace. This panel doesn't work, the power doesn't work. So I'm gonna open it up, we're gonna fix it, and we are going to use it. Let's get to it. I have a soldering iron, because there's obviously a PCB inside to fix it. I have my screwdriver, I have my multimeter. All the other things I need is something to pry the face off, a audio plug, and my computer to check the connection with a video of Obie'z Lab for sound. Alright, so take these screws out. So I was figuring out how to do this. Went on YouTube, scoured the internet to find this PCB. I couldn't really find specifically. I even went and iFixit and they don't have it. But the issue here is the soldering joint right here is the power is not working correctly. So I'm gonna take my solder iron, go in here, knock it a little bit. There we go. So across those two connections, right here, there's one right here, and there's one right here. The green came off, and some of the foil came off, so I had to take this connection, which is this one, and connect it to this one. So, if you plug this bad boy in, and turn it on, it's working. Before the light didn't come on, and if you came over here, and you took your meter and you went between here and here, 12, but between here and here it was 0. But now that they're connected, it's fine. You just connected two positives together and it flows through that circuit. So now unplug this, connect the speakers in. It doesn't really matter what speaker goes in which, because they're both going out. Here we go. Put that back on there. Okay, put the faceplate on. Light turns on, volume, treble. Plug this into the output or input. Turn the volume up.
Hey, darling. You seen that show, Obie'z Lab? Pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. Hey, baby. Have you seen Obie'z Lab? Freaking sick videos, bro.
That's everything about this video. Just a real quick fix. I suggest if you want to get good deals, you go on the marketplace and check them out, because I find free stuff on there, I find cheap stuff on there, and sometimes it's just a quick fix away from saving a whole bunch of money. Thank you for watching Obie'z Lab.